What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I know there's only a few of you, but please like and subscribe to this. I'm going to be doing a bike check on my BMX. I hope you guys like it. Share, tell all your friends, start telling everybody about my YouTube channel because I'm going to start posting more. Alright, well, I'm going to explain to everybody what I have on my bike. Fun parts and stuff, you know. Alright, well, let's start with the bars. These bars are S&M food bars, 10-inch rise, 4-piece. I've had them for a year. As you can see, they have taken a lot of damage, and they're still holding up, which I kind of like. Then I have an Odyssey brake cable squeezy thingy. We're just going to call that a brake handle. Then I have a Haro downtown brake line. Originally, I was going to put gyro on my bike, but Top 2 doesn't have gyros on it, and I don't want to mess my stuff up. Okay, and now I have Odyssey R32 forks. They're really good. I just bought them, as you can tell. They're not all that beat up, but they will be after a few months. I have 2 fit pegs and 2 animal pegs. Animal are the fat ones. Really nice pegs. I like them all. They're actually really light. The only problem with the animal ones is that you need some... It's like a washer piece. The washer piece is about this big and sits inside the peg on your dropout. Works really well. I've used it before on my free coaster. I broke that, but no need to get into that. And then I have a stolen Rampage wheel. Really cool. I actually like it a lot. For a sealed cheap front rim, it was $60 at my local shop called Frankfurt. Alright, and then I have a fit frame. I know what frame it is, but I can't remember the exact name of it, you know? But yeah, it's a nice fit frame. You know, we have the Dent of James right here. That's what I'm going to call that, the Dent of James. I have a stolen seat post. That's what that is. That is a seat post. It is a stolen seat post with a, what is that? Some type of seat that I forget. But it is a really nice seat. It's nice, it's soft, it's squishy. Sit down on it a lot, you know, all that. But now I also have a Colony sprocket guard. Really convenient because I do a lot of grinds on my right side since I am right foot forward. I know that I could do an easier way and go to left-hand drive, but I don't like left-hand drive. It feels weird. Then I have the Shadow Interlock Supreme chain. It's nice and greasy. Then I have the original Fit Conway 2 cranks that came on my Fit Conway bike, which is in my closet. I cracked the frame in 2 spots. In my opinion, what they need to do is they actually need to support right there better and right there better on the frame because that's where I cracked it, but times. And then I have Odyssey twisted pedals. They're really grippy. I have bought another pair of these in like 3 months, and I just bought these brand new too. Oh, before I forget, Shadow Conspiracy metal bar ends. People don't like metal bar ends because if they're trying bar spins or something, they end up smacking their knee. But all you gotta do is cut your bars down a little bit and cheat your way out. and get taller bars that don't hit your knee anymore. In my brake mounts, I have spring, if it will focus, I have spring Odyssey spring brake mounts. Well, brakes. They're really nice. The only problem I have with them is that tiny little spring right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a tiny spring that like pulls them together so like they come outwards. They're the easiest brake I have ever had to work with, so there's no problem with having easy brakes to work with. And then I also have 2 Hammerhead demolition tires. They're nice, they're grippy, but they are meant for dirt. But I'm using them for street because I'm a street person, hence 4-piece bars. I got them in 2.4s instead of like 2.1s or something because I like wide tires and like it cushions your landing off of big drops. I do a lot of big drops. Then I have a Cinema back rim and hub. I bought this wheel complete. It was $200. No, it was actually like $250. My guy in my local shop told me if I rather get a if I get more parts, it would probably be upgrading my bike instead of buying a new bike, which I was going to originally do. I was going to buy the Sunday AM, but I just went with this because he wasn't wrong. I made the right decision. And then I have a salt stem. Yes, I know if you ride BMX and you know what salt is and you believe that they're a crappy brand, that's the only one that they had that I could afford at the time. So far it hasn't break. I'm actually really liking it a lot. Main reason why is like it is a little bit shorter and I can do bar spins really good on it. Yes, I have a straight cable. It gets annoying to do bar spins and have to undo my bars. But anyways. And then that's about it for my bike check. I hope you guys liked this one. Oh, one thing. Don't ever do what I did. I don't know if you can see that, but that is 2 holes in the frame for gyro. Comes with this little piece too. Makes your bar spin. Not move anywhere. I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please share, tell your friends, get everyone to subscribe because I will be, can't think of the word now. Hold on, let me think of it. I will be starting to get better on my bike, and I would like you guys to see my progression of me and my bike. And come up with a nickname for my bike, or a name for it, because it's a new frame, and I can't really come up with a name. My old bike was Black Thunder, because my whole entire bike was black. But now, I have a raw frame, which that one was raw, but can't come up with a name, so leave a comment below, smash the like button, and peace out.